Hey everyone, during this video I'm going to share with you the reasons why I am taking time off of modafinil. This is prescribed. I've been taking it consistently for about 40 days now, with the exception of one day in which I didn't consume it. I'll just show you a pill. This is an example of like 100 milligrams. Just see it there. It's not easy to get a hold of. It's pricier compared to most nootropic supplements, even drugs. And the reason I'm taking some time off of it is I've noticed that I've really built a dependency on it. And as a result of that, I'm finding that I'm sleeping less. Instead of sleeping 7 to 8 hours, for instance, I'd be sleeping 6 hours and telling myself it's okay because I have modafinil. What it's really used for is help with productivity and really allow you to stretch the amount of time you can work. If you're somebody that typically gets fatigued after 3 to 4 hours, modafinil will allow you to really work optimally or close to optimally about 6 or 7 hours. Currently, I am not working enough hours that would make modafinil that beneficial. Although I'm working with some really complex tasks, and I've noticed that my ability to solve complex problems and use all my faculties isn't really there with modafinil versus a state where I'm just well rested and not stimulated. A lot of people really don't realize that stimulants will naturally boost your mood, and as a result of that, when your mood is boosted, you may just see yourself as being more productive, but objectively speaking, you're naturally not. For instance, if you're in sales, for example, and you take modafinil, you may feel like you're being very productive, but you look at the numbers at the end of the month and they don't really show. Or if you're a student, you're obviously evaluating by your grades. Now I realize that's more challenging because in school, for example, you can't really analyze things until like the end of the semester when you have your final marks and so forth. Although what stimulants will cause you to do is really just shut down those faculties to be able to solve complex problems. Where they're good at are conveyor belt activities like routine tasks. For example, if there's something you've done thousands of times and you just need the energy to power through it, go, keep it consistent, right? Modafinil is great. Or even if you're going for a sprint, I've not found that modafinil has really changed my ability to work out. Not in a good way or not in a bad way. If anything, maybe a good way a little bit, although it can cause some people to feel like heart palpitations and so forth. Overall, I would recommend you check out modafinil. I've been taking it consistently just because I've been on a cutting cycle, so I've been eating in a calorie deficit, which is naturally going to compromise my energy levels. It's going to make me feel somewhat lethargic. So I'm better off with a little bit more caffeine than usual. I'm better off with a little bit of modafinil, but I'm taking time off. I'm enjoying it. I'll keep you updated as far as withdrawals are concerned, and hope you guys found that helpful, guys. In any case, I like modafinil a lot. I'd rate it 8 out of 10, but it is so addictive that we can naturally convince ourselves that we don't need time off when we actually do. I'll see you guys next time.